everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today we will create a cute terrarium in a fish bowl. I will mention all the products links also in the description box. You can check it. So let's get started. So I am using this fish bowl, and to start with I am pouring a layer of fine stone chips. You can use gravels, stones of any colors available with you. Now put a plastic sheet with multiple holes in it. This way stones and soil won't get mixed, but with the holes excess water will get drained off. Now put a layer of activated charcoal which will help in absorbing excess moisture and any kind of fungus in it, and then add a thick layer of soil. You can choose your potting mix based on the plants you are choosing for the terrarium. Now here I am putting snake plants into it. Like snake plants doesn't need a lot of water, so that I will just spray some water once in a week and they are good to go. Even they can be grown in partial shade as well. So I'll keep it in study room where it gets bright light. You can keep your terrarium in porch or in balcony also, even in living room with this plant. Now I'll arrange few big and small size stones randomly inside around the plants. Now here you have to be creative in your own way, using pebbles, stones, miniatures, whatever you like. And then I'm adding few white stone chips to add some color to it, along with few miniatures to give it a final look. So here comes the final look. Now let me show you how to water it. For watering your terrariums, always use a spray bottle. Spray some water 2 to 3 times a week based on the plants you have chosen in your terrarium. Since I have snake plant in terrarium, so I'll spray it only once a week. If you have ferns in terrarium, you can spray 2 to 3 times. If you have succulents, you can spray once in 10 days. So according to your plants, you have to spray water. So how was it? I hope you liked today's video. Do let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to come up with more of this kind of videos, let me know. Thanks for watching. See ya.